Residents of the Hagalottali area in Kudligi town of Vijayanagar district were alarmed after 4 masked individuals were spotted moving suspiciously through residential neighborhoods late at night. According to locals, the suspects, wearing masks and gloves, were seen roaming around houses near Basaveshwar Circle. Their movements were captured on CCTV cameras, raising fears that they were scouting locked and unattended houses as potential targets for theft. The incident has caused concern among residents, particularly as Kudligi town witnessed a series of house burglaries last year. Locals have urged the police to increase patrolling, take preventive measures before any crime occurs, and identify and arrest the suspects at the earliest. The incident has once again raised concerns about nighttime security in the town, with residents seeking immediate action from law enforcement authorities. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.